What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Super Style. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to discuss some monsoon beauty do's and don'ts for that perfectly pretty, lazy, cozy, rainy day. Now first things first, let's talk about your foundations. If you're still using those heavy cream based, stick based foundations, please keep them away during the monsoon season. With all that excess humidity in the air, you need your makeup to be as light as possible. So the best option is to use a light serum based foundation, dab it on, and if you want you can actually work up your layers instead of wearing one heavy layer. This will be a lot easier on your skin and it will also feel a lot better. Next, let's talk about lip care. Now, during the bad weather conditions, your lips can lose moisture very quickly. And this is especially true if you're someone who wears a lot of matted lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, you need to exfoliate and moisturize your lips. So for exfoliating, here's a quick DIY scrub that I like to prepare. Just take a little bit of sugar. To this, mix some coconut oil and lime juice. You may add some rose petal powder as well. Let this mixture sit for a couple of minutes. When the sugar starts melting, that's when you scrub your lips with it. So it's not very harsh on the lips while exfoliating, and then apply your favorite moisturizing lip balm, and that's it. And for all those of you looking for soft, supple, hydrated skin this monsoon season, first of all, please ditch your heavy moisturizers. Guys, there's too much humidity in the air these days. You do not want your moisturizers to be heavy. What you essentially need, what your skin needs, is a light moisturizer which will be gentle and kind to your skin. For this, I love using the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I love that it contains no added color, fragrance. These are not even required, they are actually not needed. So I love that this formulation is very lightweight, very fast absorbing, non-greasy, and the skin just absorbs it all very quickly, instantly looking hydrated, uplifted, and of course with regular use you start seeing much better results, more amplified results. You might have even seen me talk about this product on my channel before. I genuinely love this formula. Simple products are always very gentle and effective, right? And by the way, if you are a skincare fanatic like me, I'll just deviate a little bit and tell you about the ingredients in here. So it contains vitamin E. Yes, it contains vitamin E. It also contains glycerin. It contains borage seed oil. These ingredients are some of my, you've seen me actually use these ingredients in some of my own DIY videos before because that's how much I love them. So what I'll do, guys, I will put the link for this product in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. It's suitable for all skin types, and definitely I feel like it's such a great thing to have, especially during the monsoon season when you want that light moisturizing, hydrating, and you want your skin to look soft and supple. This will just do it so perfectly for you. Now, it's no secret that fungal infections are extremely common during the monsoon season. This is especially true if you have long hair, thick hair, if you tend to have oily scalp, itchy scalp. Some people are just more prone to these kind of infections. So there are two things you need to do. Number one, start shampooing your hair a little bit more often, a little bit more regularly. So if you're shampooing your hair say twice a week, make it 3 or 4 times a week, so increase the frequency. And which shampoo to use? Ideally look for a shampoo with tea tree oil or any anti-dandruff shampoo that also is designed to treat malassezia. I love using shampoos with salicylic acid especially because they keep my scalp really clean. And after washing your hair with a shampoo, just use a conditioner or hair mask again with tea tree oil or ginger. That should help you tremendously. And last but not the least, start wearing a satin cap. I'll tell you why. If monsoons are making your hair super frizzy and all that humidity is making your hair out of control, which is so common for so many people, a satin cap can actually help you a lot. Here's what happens when you're sleeping at night and you're most likely using a cotton pillowcase. Rubbing off your hair and scalp against that cotton pillowcase can actually make your hair more frizzy. It can take away that moisture. It can actually also cause a lot of friction and breakage. So to avoid all of that, start using a satin cap. Just wear it on your head. It's very comfortable. They're very easily available these days. In case you're not someone who likes wearing caps, you can also use a satin pillowcase. Even that will do the trick for you and help your hair so much. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's quick video. If you have any hacks, any do's, any don'ts, any tips, tricks to share, please share them with me in the comment section below. It will help the rest of my viewers and it will also help me a lot. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you found this video useful, which let's be honest, this video was really useful, okay? Don't be stingy with that like button. Hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.